everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of elegance and functionality with the Fapully LED kitchen sink faucet, kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right in. The Fapully LED kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer sounds like a sleek and modern addition to any kitchen. LED lighting can add a stylish touch, and a pull-down sprayer is always convenient for washing dishes and cleaning the sink area. It features a pull-down sprayer that makes it easy to clean and a built-in LED light that changes color based on the water temperature. This can be a helpful safety feature as it can help to prevent burns. The Fapully LED kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer is a popular choice for homeowners looking for a stylish and functional faucet. Fapully LED kitchen sink faucet, kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer offers several specific features that make it a popular choice. LED kitchen faucet, it has many built-in generating electricity devices. No need for batteries. As long as the water flows, it will give out light. Turn off the water and the light goes out immediately. The color of LED lights changes automatically via water temperature. Protect your family from cold water and hot water, especially elderly people and children. Commercial-style kitchen faucet is both flexible and functional, with a heavy-duty open coil spring spout for an industrial look. Pull-down faucets swivel 360 degrees for added convenience during everyday kitchen tasks. The kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer and a pot filler spout, they can be turned on at the same time. Lasts 2x longer. Patented superb seal technology reduces leak points and lasts twice as long as the industry standard, ensuring leak-free operation for the life of the kitchen sink faucet. Industry standard is based on ASME 112/18, 1 of 500,000 cycles total times 30 times per day, 365 a year equals 46 years. Easy installation, designed to fit single-hole or three-hole configurations. Everything you need is together in one box, including an optional deck plate for three-hole installation. Here are some potential pros and cons of the Fapully LED kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer. Pros: pull-down sprayer, built-in LED light, single-handle control, high arc spout, 360-degree swivel spout, durable construction. Cons: limited design options, maintenance. Overall, the Fapully LED kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer is a well-made and stylish faucet that offers a number of features that can make your kitchen chores easier. However, it is important to weigh the pros and cons carefully to decide if it is the right choice for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Fapully LED kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.